This conference will now be recorded.
Hi team, this is Mohan. First of all, welcome to our High Tech Institution channel. So today we're gonna see one interesting topic, which is how to create a pipeline to set up a Terraform infra in it. So that is what today we're gonna discuss. So let's see how we can set up an infra in AWS through Terraform. Okay, so first what I'm going to do, first we should have a Terraform file. After that we can design a code pipeline and code commit things. Okay, so first we can build the Terraform file. I think I already has the file. I think let's check that. In my code commit repo, I has I think. Let's check. Okay. Yeah, in this repo one, that file will be there. Oh yeah, yeah, that file will be there. Here you can see it's an actual code for creating a subnet, sorry, creating a VPC subnet and internet gateway. Okay, so if you have a code in the sense, you have to paste it here, and then you have to define that name for that, like that you can do. Let's see, and then if you guys wants to write a code in modules and things, that also we can deploy. There is no issue with that. You have to place your Terraform in one repo. That is the main thing. Okay, so not only code commit, you can use S3 also. Okay, so you can use Bitbucket also. That's your requirement. Based on your wish, you can pick any vendor, sorry, any service. So let's see. Here is our code commit. Code commit, which is nothing. It's just a version control system. It acts like a GitHub. And here we can create a repo and then we can place a source code into the repository. Here itself we can access the thing. Okay, just a code commit. So then what we're gonna discuss code build. Okay, so code build. Here we need to specify the uh, project. Actually, no, I think I already has the project. I think, yeah, I already have some project. So I'll just leave that. Let's create a build. Build this means VPC infra setup. So I'll just give one sample name and source control. Okay, so source provider you have to mention, because if you have a source in S3, if you have a source in GitHub, if you have a source in Bitbucket instance, you can pick it accordingly. So I'll just pick the repo one. So here itself, here we configured Terraform file, right? So that I'll just pick this as a service provider repo. And let's, if you scroll it in the sense, here branch will be there. Similarly, if you take GitHub, right, main branch, master branch, like that, a lot of branch will be there. If you want to create a branch instance, that itself we can create it, right? Similarly, here also branches will be there. Here also you can create it. And yeah, so environment, generally if you are executing any code or something, you should have one platform. After that only you guys can execute the respective code, right? Similarly here we need to choose the plan. Okay, so container image or managed image. Okay, so you have to choose any one of this. I'll just go with the EC2. Okay, I'm not going to work with the Lambda. Lambda is also the serverless runtime. You can pick that also. But I'll just pick EC2. EC2 is very much convenient to me. Okay, so not in real time use cases. Real time, most of the people are supposed to use Lambda. In this scenario, I'll just pick this EC2. Okay, let's pick an Amazon Linux and then standard and image type. Which image? Let's pick a 5.0 version. Okay, and then here one new role will be created. Sometimes this role will doesn't have a permission to do the respective thing, so in that time we have to provide the additional policy to that role. I'll tell you later. Yeah, insert build commands. Okay, so insert build commands, here we need to deploy our Terraform commands. Okay, so here we need to deploy our Terraform commands. What are all the Terraform commands? Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply. These are all the commands we have to specify here. Before that, we need to specify the commands for installation, um, installation and the repo creation. So those things, we have to configure here. I already have the thing, so let's copy the thing from existing code. Yeah, here you can see this is what my code. So I'll just copy that. Let's paste it. Okay. So first what I did, actually no, this unzip no need. So I'll just remove that. Okay, so here I installed the utility package. Before that, I just updated the M module. After that, I just added the repo, Azure, sorry, Terraform repo, and then I installed it. Okay, so if you want to get these installation command in the sense, you can simply get from internet. Just such like Terraform download in Ubuntu in the sense, you can simply get that. Let's open that Terraform. Um, yeah. We choose Linux in the sense Ubuntu display and lot of flavors will be there. After that, you can simply find those three commands. Okay, so these three commands I specified here. These three commands I specified here. Okay. After that, sometimes Terraform will not execute in a different folder in the sense, but you are installing, you are using the official Terraform installation command, right? So that you don't worry about it. So we can simply remove this command. Here, no need to specify this one. And then Terraform init, Terraform apply. I'm not going to check any plan. Okay, so I'm directly giving the init and apply. Okay. I think I configured everything. Let's save this. Multiplace CloudWatch log. If you want to configure me CloudWatch log, since you can configure it. That by default it's unchecked. That's an optional. Let's create the build project. Okay, we successfully created the project. So let's go with the code commit. Yeah, only one file is there. This resource should created under US East one. Okay, so that is what our region name. So let's see any we resources are there or not. Actually, no. Just before I executed the same script. Okay, so I think I deleted that resource. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so here it should create one VPC, two subnets, one internet gateway. Okay, so if I execute the code commit pipeline in the sense, it should execute these resources. It should set up these resources. Let's see how it is going to check, how it is going to do that. We successfully created the build project. So now we can go with the code pipeline. Yeah, already one pipeline is there. I'm not going to use that. Let's create a new one. Pipeline, pipeline 2, and then version is okay. Version is version also 2. And then variables are not going to specify. Um, it will be default location. Okay, so it's an encryption things. Let's skip this. And then source control. Okay, so where you stored your data. Code commit we stored the data, right? So I'll just pick the repo and then branch name to code pipeline. Yeah, so you can leave these options. Let's go with the next and build the provider. Okay, so here you need to choose code build and then add Jenkins like that. Two thing will be there. I'll just click code build. VPC setup infra. This is what our new code build. So let's just click that and deploy. Deploy means if you are going to configure this into some instance, you can use it. Instance or some places in the sense you can use it. But I'm not going to use this deploy now. So let's skip this stage. Yeah, other things fine. Let's create a pipeline. If it is throwing any error or something, in the sense we can fix it. Yeah, our thing got executing. Please wait. Still source management. Yeah, source management got succeeded. Okay, so it checks the source things got executed. So let's see the progress in build. Okay, actually now 500, 5,000 lines it will take. So we have to wait actually. Mm, right, executing the steps. Okay, so it's running the repository. Okay, so sudo yum update that command and yeah, utility package installation. This output for that command. It's installing. Yeah, installing. We can wait. Yeah, that one got executed. After that, the repo adding, and then yeah, Terraform apply command. Okay, the Terraform apply execution. But in bottom you got the error. What's this error shows? Operation error easy to create VPC status code something like that. Okay, actually now here you are not authorized to perform this operation. User this role is not authorized to perform create VPC because no identity based policy allows in this create VPC action. Okay, so let's define the actually now here here what they're asking, this role can't do the activity. Okay, so why? Because it doesn't have that level of permission. So if we specify the permission to that policy, in the sense this action will go. That is what this line of error shows. Let's see how you are not authorized to perform this operation. I think this one. This is what our code. This is what our role. Let's go with IA. Let's open the policies. Mm, Sorry, actually I need to search this into role. Mm. Go inside of it. By default, one role will be on. By default, one policy will be there, but that can't do anything. Here you can see these two resources only. This policy can perform. So I'll just give the administrator policy to him because I put this role. So let's give the administrator access. Let's add the permission. We successfully added. So let's check the VPC infra setup again. And is unauthorized to perform operations. Um, yeah. Okay, so everything is fine. Let's see how this is going to work out. just execute the pipeline. To execute the pipeline means you don't want to execute any build from it. Sorry. In these details, we can see the data. Um, yeah, actually, not. This gonna take some time. Okay, so now student update action got executing. We'll wait. Actually, no. Here we need to wait. Oh, because lot of prerequisites commands is there. So you guys have to wait sometimes for for sudo yum update execution and Terraform installation. So you guys have to wait for those times. Um, let's see. Okay, so Terraform init command got executed, and Terraform apply command, which is auto approve, that one got completed. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so here we can see our resources. Our resources are created. But if you see this pipeline, this one got executed successfully. Okay, so let's see the resource in pipeline. Sorry, let's see the resource in VPC console. Why? Because our actual pipeline is for to set up a infra in VPC, right? So let's check that. Right, as of now, one default APC is there. Let's check it. High tech VPC Terraform one VPC come over here, and let's check the subnets. Um, yeah, high tech subnet ones, high tech subnet two, like the two subnet come over here, and oh, actually no, this one. Okay, so this one got created. Sorry, actually it's a route table, so don't confuse with that. Inside of this route table, yeah, by default local destination only will be there. And then subnet allocation, there is no subnet allocation. Actually, now we wrote a code for VPC, subnet creation, and the internet gateway creation. Let's check the internet gateway. High tech internet gateway that also got attached to network. Okay. I think this video helpful to you guys. I think uh, generally, if you guys are going to work with the other pipelines in the sense, you guys have to design the entire workflow. But here we have to design. We don't want to do that much complication. Here also, file will be there, but here the architecture is different. Okay, so let's open the code build project. I'll show you. You see this edit option, build spec option is there, right? Okay, so here you can edit. Here you can edit your commands. Okay, so if you have a time, if you want to customize your your build stage in the sense, you can edit. You can edit here at any time. Okay, so if I'm going to edit it like Terraform plan, like that in a sense, that plan command also will execute. Okay. So fine team, actually no, I think this video really helpful to you. So I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, thank you all. Bye.